How to disable two-step authentication for your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can access this setting and also even more security stuff that we can show you. So first, you will need to just go ahead and log in into your Shopify admin and go to this dashboard or main dashboard for your Shopify. Once you are here, we want to access our account security settings, and to do so, you are not going to find it within this tab here with the admin settings. Instead, you just want to go ahead and click on the store itself on the top right and click on the name of the store that you're currently using. Once you do that, you should actually find a few more settings here that you can see, including manage account here at the bottom, where you will find also your email. So just go ahead and click on manage account. Okay, so once you open up your manage my account settings, here you should obviously see a lot of stuff here that you can manage. For example, your profile picture, your first name, last name, email, and also the login services that you have used, stores and everything. So this is not where we need to be exactly. Instead, we just want to click on security from the left panel. And once we click on security, here you should find all different things about security, including these two-step authentication. So for me, for the time being, it is actually off. For you, if it is actually turned on, in that case, you just want to go ahead and click on turn off, and then you will need to verify your code or whatever it may be. So if you use the authentication method with the code, then you would need to enter the code in order to turn it off. So I'll just go ahead and try to turn it on and be able to show you exactly what I was talking about. Okay, so I just enabled my two-step authentication. So let me just go ahead and show you how to actually turn it off now that I have it on. Click on your store name on the top, manage account, security settings, and then we can just go and scroll down, find two-step authentication. And now you can actually see it is a little different. Authentication methods is on, and then we have the different methods that we have. The primary being the Authenticator app for my case. So I'm just going to click on remove and then just click on remove one more time. And for this time, it did not actually ask me to add the code for removal, but I believe in other times it actually may do that, because when I actually did turn on the two-step authentication, I did have to do a little verifying myself first. So I believe this is why it did not actually ask me. But now you can actually see you've removed app authentication, and now the two-step authentication is pretty much off. You can just go in and safely exit out of that page. Now you're just back here, and you can just try to log in without it, and it's actually going to work. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.